Most Troy University students were safe on Troy's campus during Hurricane Michael, but that didn't stop students from the Florida Panhandle from worrying about their families, many of whom were in Michael's direct path. Students from the Florida area waited with bated breath as communication between them and their families stopped and the storm tore through. Jesslyn Dudinsky, a junior music industry major, was one of those students who was forced to wait for news as her family endured the Category 4 hurricane.
I had no way of contacting them. Once their cell service went out, that was right before the hurricane hit, and I didn't really know how bad it was until I saw the footage after the hurricane hit.
Jesslyn's family took shelter inside their home as Hurricane Michael ripped it apart. Their house, which is less than a mile from the beach, now looks similar to a war zone. Their roof is gone, their ceiling has collapsed, their front windows are shattered, and the family must now move out until the house is safe for them to live in. Jesslyn's sister was inside the house when the storm arrived.
As we were hunkered down in our back bedroom, I heard glass shatter, which was these windows, and then we heard like just debris just hitting the house, and we heard the crack of wood when the whole front porch and roof like blew up and back into the backyard, and we just heard a lot of just crashing and the sound of wind. It was like as if you were in a tornado.
Although Hurricane Michael's impact was first felt 2 weeks ago, the Dudinskys are still dealing with devastation left in the storm's wake.
You know, there's not much you can do about this. You just kind of put your head down and start moving and, you know, try to do the best you can.
Despite knowing her family was here in Panama City, Florida, and that her home had been hit by Hurricane Michael, Dudinsky says she was overwhelmed by the amount of support she received from her Trojan family.
When I saw all of these groups just wanting to help and asking me in any way they could help, I was just overwhelmed with happiness to know that I'm not just at a university, I'm in a family, and these people care about me.
The Dudinskys, along with other Florida residents, have a long road of recovery ahead of them, but progress is slowly being made. As of October 22nd, water was restored to all water meters within city limits. Electricity, however, is still out. In Panama City, Sarah Weeks, Troy, TrojanVision News.